How to fix Battlefield 1 is crashing on Steam. First, you will need to go to your library, right-click on the game and open up the properties. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close this window and close Steam. Next, you will need to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist and click on the Microsoft link at the beginning and then scroll down to the redistributables table. Make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 version, both of these right here. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, you will also need to check if you have the latest graphics card driver updates. For NVIDIA, you can use the NVIDIA app, or if you have AMD, you can use the AMD software. Go to the drivers section and check for the latest available drivers and make sure to download and install them. And the last step is to run Steam as admin. Right click and run Steam as admin. Next, you want to right click on the game again, open up the properties, and this time you want to go to the general tab and make sure that you have -DX11 in your launch options box. Then you can close that and launch the game from your library, and this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.